Hello children, how are you? Today is Thursday. It is the 25th of March. So if we go on Edmodo, you can see here a message I sent last night. Hi kids, tomorrow we will be revising school vocabulary. Thursday, 26th. Yes, 26th, not the 25th. 26th of March, starters worksheet number 3. At school, pages 6 and 7. And you can listen to this song. This song is good because it revises school words, the letters and the phonics, the sounds the letters make. So it's important to listen to this song, okay? ABC school song. Remember, this is Bounce Patrol. They have lots and lots of great songs that you can listen to. Okay, so we're going to look at our booklet here that has all the words so we can revise some of the words from the school. So we see here, at school, draw, do a drawing, ruler, pencil, eraser, rubber, pen, book, page, part, line, teacher, alphabet, letter, floor, class, board, line, classroom, football, soccer, hockey, basketball, music, desk, keyboard, computer, book, mouse, clothes, open, tick, cross. So these are some important words, and we can look at the pictures here as well. What can you see in the picture? I can see a teacher reading a story to the children. I can see a boy playing on the computer. I can see a girl closing the drawer in the cupboard. Here I can see a teacher teaching tennis, the word tennis. This boy wants to ask a question. Here there is a boy painting. There is a boy playing the guitar. There is a girl coloring. Remember, in the corner you have Let's Talk questions. You can ask and answer these questions with whoever is with you. Look at the woman in the blue skirt. The woman in the blue skirt. Here's a woman and here's a blue skirt. So this woman. Is she standing up and writing a sentence? Is she standing up and writing a sentence? No, she's sitting down and reading a story. Do you enjoy reading books and listening to stories? Children, do you like reading books? Do you like listening to stories? I do. Do you like to spell? I hope so, because together we do a lot of spelling. So I hope you like to spell. So here you can see all the things about school. So all the topics that you need to know are in this little booklet, all the important words, and there's some games you can play as well. So it's very, very good to look at words in this booklet, which you can find on the Cambridge website, Pre-A1 Starters Word List Picture Book. Now we're going to move on to our other booklet that has all the exercises. So we have to do the exercises about school today. So here we can see the first exercise we need to do, Cambridge English Starters Worksheet number 3 at school. So today and tomorrow we will study school. Okay, activity A. Look at the pictures, look at the letters, write the words. There is one example. Okay, we see this type of activity a lot in school, where we have the letters, but they're all jumbled up. They're all confused. They're not in the correct order. Okay, so here I see O, K, O, B. I have all the letters I need. What is the correct order? What is this? It is a book. B-O-O-K. Book. So B-O-O-K. Good job. Okay. What is this, children? What is this? It's a computer. Notice there is no I, not computer with an I, no. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R, computer. C-O-M-P, no I, U-T-E-R, computer. Perfect, a very long word. Also, you can see these little dashes. There's one for each letter in the exam. Here, there isn't, but in the exam, you will find one of these for each letter you need to use. Not in this exercise, but in the exam. Okay, what is this? It is a desk. A desk. It's similar to a table, a desk, una scrivania. D-E-S-K. D-E-S-K. Good job. Okay, now, what is this? Yes, that's right. It's a pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L. Pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L. Pencil. Very good. What's this? It's a ruler. R-U-L-E-R. Ruler. Very good job. Excellent. Okay, and who is this person? Yes, that's right. It's a teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher. Maybe when you write a letter, you can cancel it here. It could be a good job. So that's the first page, guys, for today. Computer, desk, pencil, ruler, teacher. No problem. Okay, let's look at the next activity together. Activity B. Look at the picture and draw lines. There is one example. Example, picture. This is a picture. Radio. Where is the radio? Here it is. Here it is. Where is the radio? Here it is. Where is the guitar? Where is the guitar? Here it is. Here it is. Where is the chair? Where is the chair? Here it is. Here it is. Where is the table? Where is the table? Here it is. Here it is. Where are the pencils? Where are the pencils? Plural. Here they are. Here they are. So where is? Dove? Here it is. Eccolo qua. Where are? Dove sono? Here they are. Eccoli qua. Okay, so where is? Singular. Where are? Plural. Here it is. Singular. Here they are. Plural. Questo l'abbiamo già visto in classe, ma sempre un bene rivedere le cose. Adesso siamo arrivati alle domande. Quante volte le abbiamo studiati e quante altre volte dovremo studiarli ancora perché sono molto difficili. Vediamo insieme. How, come, which, quale, whose, di chi, what, cosa, who, chi e where, dove. Scrivetelo nel quaderno una volta, 2 volte, 3 volte, 4 volte, 5 volte, 6 volte, milioni di volte, finché non vi rimane in testa. Con un esempio sempre, bisogna sempre scrivere la parola, la traduzione e un esempio. Ok? Potete scrivere queste frasi, potete inventare altre frasi vostre. Ok? Quindi how, come, which, quale, whose, di chi, what, cosa, who, chi, where, dove. Allora, please teacher, how do I spell classroom? Per favore, insegnante, teacher, come scrivo classroom? C-L-A-S-S-R-O-O-M or C-L-A-S-S-R-O-O-M. How, come. That's the example. Okay, questions. Number 1. Is that on your desk, Nick? È sulla tua scrivania, Nick. È sulla tua scrivania. Is that on your desk, Nick? What? Good. What is that on your desk, Nick? What? Okay, very good. Grace, did you put your bag? Grace, did you put your bag? Grace, hai messo la borsa? Hai messo la borsa? Dove, no? Where? Grace, where did you put your bag? Where goes here. Good. Pencil would you like? The red one or the blue one? Pencil would you like? The red one or the blue one? Matita vorresti? Quello rosso o quello blu? Quale? Esatto. Which? Which, very good. Attenzione come si scrive questo, non si scrive come strega, ok? Strega è un'altra parola, ok? Questo si scrive W-H-I-C-H, strega W-I-T-C-H, diverso, ok? Now, class, would like to answer question 6. Adesso, classe, bambini, vorrebbe rispondere alla domanda numero 6. Chi, no? Chi? Quale di queste è chi? Who, like guess who, indovina chi. E poi l'ultimo, rubber is this. Rubber is this. Gomma è questo. Di chi è questa gomma? Di chi è? Di chi è? Whose. Okay, children, questions are difficult, so please write them in your notebook, please study them, memorize them, but most of all, use them, use them. Okay, so for today, that's all. Then tomorrow, Friday, we'll look at worksheet number 4, still all about school, okay? And then we'll move on to the other things. So it's been a very productive week again. You've studied lots. Look at all the things you studied in this classroom activities book. And also we've looked at this worksheet picture book, which is really, really good, really helpful. I hope you're listening to some of the songs that I'm sending you as well, and I hope you're enjoying your time at home. We're going to arrange some direct lessons so we can speak face-to-face as soon as possible. We're working on it. Okay, thank you, children. Bye-bye.